We're gonna debit cash for $28.91. Credit interest income, $28.91. Okay? We have to record that on our books. Why? They collected that money for us, right? Yes. Increased our asset. All right. What's the second thing that happened? Service charge, right?
Yep.
So up.
42.76.
42.86.
76.
76. Took it out of our cash account, didn't it?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Where we're going to charge that to? Service charge fees. 42.76.
Wait, what was that? What's that count?
Service charge
Service
fees,
charge
bank
fees.
charges, bank fees. Mm-hmm.
Oh boy.
All right. What else did they do?
They gave us a non-sufficient funds check,
An NSF check, right?
$35.
So we're going to take it out of our cash account. Where we're going to put it?
Wait, why?
Because-
We're gonna.
Where?
Expenses.
Huh?
Expenses?
No.
No,
No,
not,
we're good.
no,
It's
no,
going
no,
down there.
no, no, no.
But I thought
Not
they
yet.
charged us.
Not yet. Not yet.
It's going on charges, right?
Now look at it. The guy gave me a check.
Accounts receivable.
Oh,
Yes.
I thought they charged us.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I thought they charged us for a insufficient check.
No, they didn't charge us. That's how much the check was.
Oh, okay.
They didn't charge that
Okay.
$1 or $10 fee. Okay.
Okay, that's,
Okay.
okay,
So
okay.
it's going to go to accounts receivable. $35.
You had that one.
So if we take and add this up, and we start with our balance over there of 46.14.58. 46.15.
14.58.
Huh?
46.14.58.
Okay. 14.58. And if we add this and subtract these two, we're going to come up with what we're going to come up with.
45.65.73. Maybe.
Well, no.
Oh.
Why? Because see that you got deposits and okay.
Just when I.
Yeah, 45. Is it 45? 65, 13.
70.
Is that what it?
45, 65. Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Yeah.
13.
Yep.
Okay.
That's
We're
correct.
gonna come up with
Which side is the good side? Which side is the bad side?
do what?
Interest
Oh, yeah,
income.
that's
Okay.
Interest income.
Correct.
Income.
Debit, you give, credit, you take away.
Yes.
Yeah.
No.
Under assets. Under assets. Under assets.
Okay,
Debit,
so,
you
and debit's over here, and credit's over here?
If you're looking at your T account.
Oh, wait.
Debits are on the left.
Debits are in the,
Credits
credits are on the right.
Okay.
Okay, this is terrible now. You know, you lost me all the way.
Huh?
I'm lost all the way now.
No, why?
I don't know.
This is
Debit, you're adding, credit, you're taking away.
if hey, no, now look. Debit you're adding if the account is where?
On the ends,
On the outsides.
Wait, hold on, say that one more time. But it's
Debit
on
you're
the
adding
outside.
Assets is on the outside, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
Okay? So to increase an asset, you debit it.
right.
To decrease it, you credit it.
Yes.
Okay? If it's an expense, it's on the outside.
Revenue minus expenses.
Right, okay. Debit the asset to increase it, credit to decrease it. All those in between, liabilities, capital, and revenue, it's the opposite. To increase, you credit it. To decrease, you debit. That's what makes it work.
Not,
So everything's on
Your brain?
no. It says no. It just No.
Okay, I understand, okay? But see, these transactions affected our cash, okay? Yes, ma'am?
But aren't we like doing what we did last week? If we just add?
Are we doing it like we did last week? Yes, we are. Okay? This is a part of accounting. What you have to do is you have to balance the checks and balances of your assets. You have to account for them. The bank statement here is telling us that, yes, this is the amount of cash that we have.
Maybe I'll get it one day.
Okay. So what you're gonna do with the $35 here, you're gonna set it up in your accounts receivable and hopefully go get that money from that person who wrote that check. If they do not wanna pay you, then that's when you take it to expense. You credit the receivable and go to bad check expense.
To count for it somewhere.
Yes, yes, okay.
Okay.
Okay, so,
Here's a question.
see this right here?
Question.
Okay, I'm gonna give you, see this right here? There will be one on the final.
Which page? 141.
Bank reconciliation.
We're allowed to skip like one,
It's
right?
at 141, right?
What, skip one what?
Question.
No.
He said it's gonna be one of them. I'm sorry.
I'm allowed to give you an additional 10, aren't I?
So that's on.
This is fine.
Huh?
We get to 141.
141. Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
It's 141, you saw.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's make sure I understand. On the outside,
That's
how
what that first thing was saying.
He said it, no.
debit gets increased.
He
And
said
then
it.
credit gets
Is he
decreased.
I thought he was saying
Inside
right in
from
green because that's the
liabilities
only
to
green.
revenue.
No, I think he
I build this capital revenue, yeah,
That is my question.
opposite way.
No,
Hmm?
question.
Yes,
Okay, I know you said for her final, we can use our book and our notes. Are we gonna have to turn in our homework before the final?
no,
So we can use our final, or
you
you
can,
can,
you can use your final. You can use your notes.
Our
Okay?
homework?
And your homework, yeah. You can use, you can't use a friend. Okay?
A friend.
Hey, no one's
And-
gonna help me but Jesus.
And, okay, you can't use me. Okay?
I think our final.
Not that I'm not your
Our
friend,
final
but,
here.
what I'm saying, okay? About 10 years ago, I told him, I said, look, you can use anybody you want to. It's a take-home quiz. Use anybody you want to. Get a call.
That's smart, that's smart.
This is so-and-so, I'm so-and-so's dad. And he said that you can use any,
Oh,
I
I thought
said,
they were calling.
and I said, he can. I said, I don't care. I don't care.
Oh, he called to ask for permission.
Yeah, see, the son, the dad, yeah,
That's hilarious.
dad thought the son was lying.
Right.
Yeah.
I thought he's calling you.
I did too. I thought-
Yeah, that's what I thought.
No, no,
I
no.
found someone that could help me with my homework, and no one could even help me, so it's useless.
But yeah, I used to give you a take home and let you use anybody you want to. If you want to go down to an accountant and have them do it for you, that was okay.
I don't understand either.
Let me tell you what, you'll spend more time doing a take-home exam than you will studying for an exam.
Well, I can.
I know, I've been there. I spend 40 and 50 hours for on a take-home.
I spent 3 hours on 3 questions last night.
That's it.
And if I go study for one,
I'm saying.
2 or 3 hours, that's it.
Right, yeah.
No. But there I know what I'm doing.
Right, I agree.
But they didn't like the way I did that, so.
Ah.
Okay, all right. Now, on page 143, there's that bad debt expense. That you write it off. Okay?
So it's gonna go,
If we write it off, we're going to credit
on that side, okay, yeah, okay.
Do what?
I draw,
I just need it set up like it's supposed to be.
I draw a squiggly line
Yeah.
down the middle of
I'm
my
horrible,
paper.
I just need it right.
Maybe-
That's bad.
I just draw like a little
That's
squiggly,
bad,
so I know.
That's, just think of it T account.
I know, but I need it in the right columns is what I'm saying, like I need to, it's just, it's
Can you
just.
space them out some?
It's just me.
Can
If you don't.
No, I can.
I'm pretty sure
They-
he was set in his ways.
I don't think that's.
That helps me, yes, so yes, it fixed it for me, right?
See, this is assets, don't have any, liabilities, got income and expenses. Revenue and expenses.
What? Oh.
Okay?
Thank you, yes, that's what I need.
Okay. I'm actually putting them where they should go.
I told you.
All right, on accounts receivable,
Help me.
there's different ways that what, the different things that happen.
Okay.
When we sell people merchandise, you know, we can give them sales discounts,
Military discount.
military discount, okay? Then we can give them discounts if they pay us by a certain date. You ever heard of 210 to N30?
Yeah.
Okay. That means you cut the check on the 10th of the month and you send it to them on the 35th.
You get discount.
See, y'all didn't even catch that.
No, I didn't, 'cause I'm like, you said 35th, they're not 35 days.
When you're in business, okay? When you're in business, you always are pushing the envelope. So, if somebody sells me something and they give me 210 net 30, I'm gonna cut that check on the 10th and it's gonna be dated the 10th. I'm gonna hold it on my desk for 7 to 10 days to the 20th, and then I'm gonna put it in an envelope and mail it to them. And if they call, the check's in the mail. Okay? Now, wait till you get out in business. You're gonna find out